Hello and welcome everyone on my channel. So today we are going to discuss a very important topic, that's name is MCQs of anatomy and physiology. So these may be important for your competitive exams and your MSc entrance exams also. So let's start with first question. First one question which is given, which branch of science normal functions of living organisms are studied? So here the question is asking about the branch in which normal functions of living organism are studied. Okay, so right answer of the question is physiology. Okay, right answer of this question is physiology. In physiology we study about the normal function and functioning of an organ. Okay, and in anatomy we study about the organ and its structure and other detail. Okay, and in biology we study about the genetics and species and races. Okay, and all option is not a right answer, so here right answer is physiology. So second one question which is given, the fundamental unit of living matter is known as. Here question is asking fundamental unit of living matter. Okay, so right answer of this question is cell. So cell is also called the fundamental and functional unit of a living. Okay, cell is also called a fundamental and structure and functional unit of life. Okay, so right answer of this question is cell. So cell, when cells are bind together these form tissue. Okay, and when tissue bind together these form organ, and when organ bind together these form a system included nervous system, digestive system, endocrine system, and a different type of system are present in our body. Third one question which is given, cell membrane is composed of. So here is a cell and it is its membrane. So tell me about the matter which cell membrane is composed. So here the right answer is both A and B. So cell membrane is made up of phospholipid. Here the phosphorus group is come from protein and the lipid is come from fat. Okay, so cell membrane is made up of phospholipids. So here right answer of the question is both A and B. Okay, next one question which is given, which part of the cell transport material across cell and protect it. So here is a cell and here is membrane, and whenever a material enter in this cell and whenever material excrete from this cell or whenever the cell is protected, so all these functions are performed by cell membrane. Cell membrane play an important role to enter and excrete the materials from the cells, and it also protect the cell organelles. So here the right answer of this question is cell membrane. Okay, nucleus contains genetic material, cytoplasm contains cell organelles, lysosome is also called suicide bag of cell. Okay, next one question which is given, what is the role of ribosome in a cell? So here question is asking role of ribosome in a cell. So what ribosome do? It is also called synthesize the protein. Sorry, not called. Ribosome is responsible for the synthesis of protein. Okay, so right answer of this question is synthesis of protein. Next one question which is given, which part of cell initiate the process of cell division? So here is a cell and here is a nucleus and it is centriole. So centriole start the process of cell division. Okay, cell is divided into one cell is divided into two cells. Okay, so right answer of this question is centriole. So next one question which is given to us, which part of cell is associated with intracellular digestive system? So intracellular digestive system contains lysosome which excrete the excreting material of cell or waste material of cell from cell to outside. Okay, so here the right answer of this question is lysosome. Next one question which is given, what is the number of chromosome in a somatic cell? So what is somatic cell? Cells which are present in a living other than a genetic cell. Okay, cells which are present in a living organism other than a genetic cells. So the number of chromosome in a somatic cell are 22 pairs. Okay, the right answer of the question is 22 pair, and a genetic cell contain how many chromosomes? 23 pairs. Okay, it may be confuse you, so you have to remember. Okay, next one question which is given, component of nucleus has phosphoric acid and 4 nitrogenous base. So here the question is asking component of nucleus which contains phosphoric acid and 4 nitrogenous base. So here the right answer of this question is DNA. So nucleus contains DNA, RNA, nuclei and chromatin both. Okay, and DNA contains 4 nitrogenous base, adenine, guanine, thymine and cytosine. Okay, and a phosphorus group. So here the right answer of this question is DNA. So one question is remaining here, is known as the powerhouse of cell. So here I think you know about it, powerhouse of cell. Here the right answer of this question is mitochondria. Okay, so thanks for watching. It was all about today MCQs of anatomy and physiology.